Get naturalized, exercise, let your life get Mickey-mized, Mickey-mized, Mickey-mized.
So yoga says that an open mind gives rise to an open body, which happens in meditation, chanting, prayer. And when you're working out, an open body gives rise to an open mind. So what's this openness? Okay? So let's say I'm stretching out and opening up my hamstrings. Let's say I'm stretching out like this and opening up my inner thighs. So whenever you open your body, joints, connections, your mind opens up too. Let me show you one more thing for beginners. Leg here, once again. Second leg. You don't have to go the entire range. Do as much you want to. And by, you will realize that you're progressing. Every week, every day. From the open, you close and come to the center. And you once again open. Flap like a butterfly. Flapping like a butterfly, your inner thighs open up. Here too, you can slowly come down. Touch your toes. Back. Breathe out and come down. Back. So remember, yoga is a combination of stretch and contraction. So if you're stretching on one side, the opposite side is contracting. That creates a perfect harmony and balance of a yoga asana. And that posture yields benefits to your organs, because everybody looks at muscles. To your organs as well. So your toxins ooze out, and when you stretch, your fresh blood comes in. When you contract, your organs contract and they become strong. And when you stretch, you breathe in, fresh oxygen comes in. Nutrient-laden blood flows inside your cells. This is the most simple Paschimottasana, okay, but forward bending. And simply start. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And you can breathe out and try and hold it to your max point, whatever it is. Contracting your stomach, your digestive juices flow, your guts become strong, courage comes into your being, strength comes to your stomach, your hunches, your intuitions, and your stomach talks to you. And then the absorption of the food, elimination of toxins, assimilation of food, everything is just so perfect. Well, beginners can also try this. Try and sit in a Vajrasana, okay? Make sure your spine is a little straight, okay? Your thigh muscles, your quadriceps are getting stretched, your hamstrings are getting contracted. And what we are going to do is once again work on opening up of the spine and contracting, strengthening of the stomach, toning of the stomach, stimulating your stomach, all right? So this is very simple. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Smile on your face. Breathe in. Relax. So the same exercise, we can do it in a different way. So for those who are comfortable like this, hands here, take a deep breath, expand your chest. Contract. Expand your chest. Contract. Again, expand your chest. Contract. Stay there. Suck your stomach in tight. Suck your glutes in tight to strengthen your core cylinder, to create a reservoir of energy, internal strength, internalizing your senses, and breathing up slowly. I think we go towards the finale of today's episode, where I'll show you how to be a table and be stable. So let me give you an angular look. It is simple. Sit like this. See this position? Hands by your sides, shoulder length, feet shoulder length. And now look straight. Simply take a deep breath and become a table. Lift yourself up as much as you can and slowly drop your head down. Now you can breathe in and come down and make it a compound movement. And again breathe out and become a table. And breathe in and come down. So let's do it one more time with little combination if you can. So up. So when you progress weeks after weeks, you can simply get one leg up like this. Back, second leg up like this. Back, again, leg up like this. Back, leg up like this. Back. And if you ever wish to experiment with a little advancement in your coordination, stability, balance, then here I'll give you a little more difficult stuff. You can try, but whenever you're trying anything difficult, make sure you have some support, some supervision, somebody to spot you. And of course, then you will be able to progress better. So let's see from here. This comes up here, down. From here, this comes up here and down. Now, I think we did enough for the beginner's session. Because for a beginner, you can't do more than 5-6 exercises for the first couple of weeks. And you keep progressing in your strength, in your holding time, in your movement, in your coordination. And when everything falls into place and you become one with yourself, grace comes to you. And yes, of course, with workouts, fitness, you get mesmerized, you get hypnotized, all negativity neutralized to get Mickey-mized.